All right, this is Gcse examination, and the question says a curve has parametric equations with x is equal to 2t minus 1, comma, y is equal to 4t minus 7 plus 3 over t, where t is not equal to 0. Show that the Cartesian equation of the curve can be written in the form y is equal to 2x squared plus ax plus b all over x plus 1. And it means it's such that x is not equal to negative 1. Well, if that is true, then this equation holds. But what we don't know, the values of a and b. Okay, let's set the ball rolling and see whether we can do something beautiful. Yes, so this is the equation, as we all can see. It's looking beautiful, very, very beautiful. Right, so let's set the ball rolling. Fantastic. Okay, so our equation that we're given, it says x is equal to 2t minus 1, and I call this equation 1. Okay, and from this I can see that 2t is equal to x plus 1. This implies that my t is equal to x plus 1 over 2. Why this question is just like 3 marks, so it means you have to do it quickly so that you can be able to proceed with the other one. So this, we call it equation 2. And the actual equation given, it says y is given as 4t minus 7 plus 3 over t, such that t is not equal to 0. So let's call this one equation 3. Okay, so we say put 2 in equation 3. Okay, beautiful. If that is the case, then let's see what's going to happen. So since we know this, our y is equals to 4, yeah, minus, okay, 4, okay, so our 4 into bracket, okay, minus 7 plus 3 into bracket something. So that's something, as we all know, that is x plus 1 over 2, and this is x plus 1 over 2. So it makes the equation so beautiful and simple to simplify. Okay, so now let's see. Straight on, we know that this will be written as 4 out x plus 1. Why? Because the 2 will cancel 4. So then we have minus 7, okay, and the plus this 3 multiplying 1 over x plus 1 over 2. Okay, so straight on, this, we see this is equal to 4x, 4, yes, we cancel that. This we cancel, we can't write 4 over here. So we say 2. You see, that's why you have to be attentive so that you know what you are doing, you know. So 4, yeah, will be cancelled. So this one will be 2 out of the equation. Okay, and if that is the case, then we say that, okay, this equation now becomes 2x plus 2 minus 7 into bracket plus, this means 3 times 2 over x plus 1. Tell me what I'm doing. Okay, so when we come here, we'll come that. Okay, so now if you look at it, when you multiply through by that, you see that we have 2x out, x plus 1, and minus 5, x plus 1. okay, plus 6. You see, now we're on the right path. So later, take our time and look at the question again. We have 2x plus 2, okay, minus, yes, minus that, minus 7. So let's go up here. Okay, so that's how it is. That minus 7, okay, plus that. Okay, so minus 5, 2x minus 5. Okay, so we're on the right path. And this one will be 2x squared plus 2x. This is a minus 5x and minus 5 plus 6. You see? Now, what can we do? We see that we can simplify it with ease. So that this will be 2x squared. Okay, 2x minus 5x will give us 3x. Then minus 5 plus 6 will give us plus 1 all over x plus 1. Okay, so this is what we have to compare to the original equation given. All right, so now let's recap before we do our final comparison. So first and foremost, there's the equation. We make t the subject, and we were able to get t to because x plus 1 over 2. Okay, the normal equation that was given was this one by the examiner. Okay, so then we substituted x plus 1 over 2 in place of where it's supposed to be. Okay, then we realized that when we compute it, we have 2. This 2 will cancel this 4. So we have 2 coming out of x plus 1. And minus 7 is just standing on its own. Okay, so if that is the case, you know, this will be 2x plus 2. Minus 7 is there. So we have 2x minus 5. Then this one will compute to get 6 over x plus 1. Then we'll multiply 2 by x plus 1. So the x plus 1 will multiply 2x and multiply negative 5. Okay, and then to cancel the 6. So at the end of the day, we'll still have 2x squared plus 2x. Okay, that's the first term. And the next one is minus 5x and minus 5 plus 1 plus 6. So we got this. Now, this is what we have to equate it to the equation. Okay, so now our equation is this. So when we equate this one to the equation, to the original equation given, which I'm going to put in the blue, was given to us as 40. What's the name? We should do it in such a way that our equation will resemble that. So let's go and write the equation. Okay, so our equation that we're given is y equals to, let me write it up beside a certain paper so we can refer. The question says y is equals to 2x squared plus ax plus b all of x plus 1. Good. So I've written on paper so we can refer. Okay, so let me go back to that. Okay, so this is what it was talking about. This. Okay, so we come here. Then this is equals to 2. Okay, this is equals to 2x squared plus ax plus b all over x plus 1, so that x is not equals to negative 1. Oh, beautiful. So beautiful. If that is the case, then by inspection, okay, 2x squared is here, 2x squared is here, is ax minus that. So the a is equals to negative 3 and b is equals to 1. That's it. That is all it is. So nice. I'm so excited we were able to do something quickly, and I hope you understand it. Well, if you don't understand it, you can still just prompt me for me to give you further explanation of the whole process. But it's easy, as you can see. But I will urge you on to go and subscribe and like the videos and share it with your friends. Okay, those who may need us. Okay, thank you very much. Then have a lovely day. Bye.